Let me taste that one. Let me taste that one. And Hi everyone, I'm Joy and I'm back for another video, and today I'm going to share with you guys a haul that I got from Duty Free. So it's a chocolate haul, and yeah, I'm sorry if I didn't film a lot of videos, or I didn't film any videos for the past 2 weeks, but I have uploaded one video for my travel Thursday last week. And yeah, I was just so busy. If you're following me in my Instagram, maybe you've seen why I was busy, so I won't explain in this video anymore because it will just take a long time. So yeah, let's head on to the video. So my father came home. He didn't bring any chocolates here in the Philippines, and we head on to Duty Free for the sake of my pamangkin baby girls, for her to choose chocolates that she wants. But unfortunately, kami lang din naman ang namili. So yeah, so I will just share with you guys the things that we got, and some of the things that we got are already in by us. So kung anong natira, ito na lang yung mai-share ko sa inyo. So let's start. So I got 3 bags here from Hershey's. In the front desk, or in the front area, they are offering a lot of things, like when you get 2 bags and you get this thing, and you get 3 bags and you get this thing, and then a chance to win to get this thing. So yeah, naguyo kami. Naguyo na ano kami. So we got 3 bags from Hershey's, and ang free niya ay 1 electric fan that can be used as stand fan or a desk fan. And we have a chance to win, to open a car. Yun. So my father want that car, so we head on to the Hershey's. Although they have M&M's, Cadbury, and a lot of chocolates in that place, of course, from any other country. So we only got Hershey's, and 1 bag cost at around $36 US. So yun, medyo mahal siya kung compare siya dito sa Philippines, but I know mas mura siya kung magbibili ka sa Duty Free kesa sa mga online shops na nag-o-offer ng mga, you know, imported goods. So yeah, let's head on to this first bag, and it costs $36, the Hershey Pass Pack. So the first one here is this Mr. Good Bar milk chocolate with peanuts. So that's it. And I have Hershey's cookies and cream snack size. So yung maliliit lang na size ito na Hershey's na cookies and cream. And I also have Reese's peanut butter, whatever how you pronounce that. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's the Reese's. Kasi may ganun siya, Reese's. So yeah, we have 1 pack, and we have another pack that we gave to our driver yesterday. And what else? Hershey's milk chocolate. Ito na naman siya in snack size na naman yung laman. And what else we have here is this milk chocolate Hershey's na naman na 6 full size. Ala, nagbe-melt na siya. Sobrang init kasi dito. And another one na cookies and cream na Hershey's na naman siya. So that's all here in this first bag. So yan. So let's head on to this second bag from Hershey's again. So yeah, parang paulit-ulit lang. But we chose a lot, parang yung magkakaibang bags yung naman. So let's see kung anong pinagkaiba. So we got 3 milk chocolate na 8 snack size here. So we got that thing. And this another Reese's peanut butter cups in 6 full size. Yan. And another Hershey's milk chocolate in snack size. And one wow, I like this Hershey's Kisses brand, it's cookies and cream. So yan. Yan, gusto ko to yung mga kisses. Another thing that I got here is this Hershey's miniatures, a little something for everyone. So yung colorful yung laman niya na maliliit. Yung purpose niyan para ibibigay namin sa mga bata na kalaro ni Bebe. And another one is this Kisses brand, milk chocolate. Yan, Hershey's na naman na milk chocolate. Na yung Kisses. Parang ito ata yung ano. Ito ba yung classic? Yeah, this is the classic bag. Yan. Ito yung pinakagusto ko na Kisses. Yung classic lang siya. So, yun lang itong nasa second bag. Let's head on to this third bag that we got here na hindi pa siya bukas. So, this is again another Hershey's. Kasi nga from Hershey's lahat to. Kasi kailangan namin bumili ng 3 bags na tigta $36 para, you know, para to get that electric fan. and to have a chance to win a car, but we didn't get a chance. So, wala kami nabuksan. So, ito yung mga ano siya, parang maliliit siya. So, let's see. The first one here is this Hershey's, my favorite chocolate again. The classic. This is the classic, I think. Milk chocolate in, ano ba to? Ilang pieces ba to? I don't know how many pieces is this. So, ayan siya. This is the classic one. And then we have another kisses na cookies and cream. I like cookies and cream, but I haven't tasted this one yet. Mas gusto ko kasi yung classic. Tsaka yung classic ba yung may peanut? Basta yung may peanut. So, yun. I like this. And another kisses na milk chocolate na naman na mas maliliit siya. Mas maliit na packaging compared to this. So, ayan. And another one is this. Ooh! Kisses na naman siya na special dark chocolate. Ayan. This is dark chocolate. So, ayun. Let me taste that one. Let me taste that one. And another one is this kisses again. Nakaparehas lang din itong maliit na to. Ayan. Dami na ibibigay sa mga bata, man. Fairness. And another kisses na with caramel. Maybe this one will taste good. Let me know guys if you have tasted this one. Kasi gusto ko yung may mga caramel. Yung mga pag kinagat mo may gumaganon. So yun, sa shell siya. Gusto ko to. Caramel. And another one is, ano, ito na naman, milk na naman. The classic one. And of course, favorite ko ni Estong, I think. Ito yung kisses naman siya with chocolate na may almonds siya. So, yan. That's all that I got here in this third bag. So, wala na. Ubus na lahat. Ubus na yung 3 bags. So, yun guys. If you want to buy things na yung mga imported goods kasi I think, or if you wanna, you know, sell things, kasi $36 lang siya. Binibenta nga nila to ng hundreds. Kasi yung mga ano nito is $7. Yung isang ganito, I think, $7. So, hindi ko alam kung nakasave kami or anything, but we just want the free electric fan and a chance to win that car or that phone and, ano pa ba, motorcycle, but my brother failed to pick the right key. So, yun, mali. So, yun guys. So, hopefully, hindi ako masyadong tumaba. Makapag-workout muna. So, yan. So, if you like to see more haul videos na about food, kasi you know, Carbonell family, really ko sa food. So, yan. Comment down below if you want to see more food haul. So, I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!